Current hospitalizations, one of the most indicative statistics of a pandemic's wax and wane, neared 10,000 Saturday in Florida, according to the most recent data reported by the Centers for Disease Control. The CDC numbers said 9,683 adults and 114 children, a total of 9,797 people in Florida hospitals, are confirmed to have COVID-19. Including those men, women, boys and girls suspected to have COVID-19, the hospitalization total is 10,211. Those are numbers that compare to a year ago, when the pandemic was starting to peak. A week ago, total hospitalizations in Florida sat at 7,391. New case and death numbers weren't reported Sunday by the CDC. The Associated Press, using data reported to the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, reported Florida had 10,207 people hospitalized with confirmed COVID-19 cases Sunday. That would surpass the previous record from July 23, 2020, more than a half year before vaccinations started becoming widespread, when Florida had 10,170 hospitalizations, according to the Florida Hospital Association. Florida is now leading the nation in per capita hospitalizations for COVID-19, as hospitals around the state report having to put emergency room visitors in beds in hallways and others document a noticeable drop in the age of patients. In the past week, Florida has averaged 1,525 adult hospitalizations a day, and 35 daily pediatric hospitalizations. Both are the highest per capita rate in the nation, according to Jason Salemi, an associate professor of epidemiology at the University of South Florida. The hospitalizations and increasing cases have come as the new, more transmittable Delta variant has spread throughout Florida, and residents have returned to pre-pandemic activities. Saturday, the state of Florida reported more new COVID-19 cases to the Centers for Disease Control than any previous day in the coronavirus pandemic, 21,683. That was a 12.1% jump over the previous record, January 7th, 19,334 cases during the worst month of the pandemic. Daily case counts routinely surpassed 10,000 as the pandemic peaked a second time. In the succeeding months, daily case counts returned to 2,000 and 8,000. By comparison, on the last day that the state released COVID numbers on a daily basis, Thursday, June 3, 2021, there were 1,878 new confirmed cases of COVID-19 and 1,792 people hospitalized, and the state's percent positivity had decreased from 3.33% to 3.15%. The very next day, the state announced that it will no longer update its COVID-19 dashboard that tracked the number of cases and deaths in the state. Its daily COVID-19 cases and vaccine reports also stopped. The state said it would, instead, post weekly reports on Fridays, Florida Department of Health Communications Director Weesam Khoury told the Miami Herald. South Florida vaccinations and hospitalizations. The CDC rated the level of community transmission in each Florida county as high. Black small square in Miami-Dade County, 1,665,812 people, 61.